Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Wi-Fi name or password of any router. So actually this is very easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to go to the settings of our phone and go to the Wi-Fi. And first of all, we will need to connect to our Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I already connected to my Wi-Fi. You need to find your Wi-Fi here and connect it and make sure that you are using your Wi-Fi right now. And now we need to click on the little info button next to the Wi-Fi to show the details. So now we need to scroll down just a little and you will find router and the IP address of this router. So in most cases this is 192.168.0.1. So now we need to close the settings and go to the Safari or any browser you're using, and here we need to type in the search bar 192.168.0.1 and go and click enter. So it will redirect us to the home page of our router. In my case it is D-Link, so I'm using the D-Link router. So my website looks like this. In your cases, if you're using TP-Link or any other router, it can be different, but the steps are the same. We need to click here on the three lines and find the menu. Now in the menu we need to find the Wi-Fi. In my case here it is. Click on it and go and open basic settings of your Wi-Fi. So go and choose basic settings. Now as we are here, we need to scroll down just a little until we will find something like Wi-Fi network, and here is the network name SSID. So now it is set to test, so I want to change it to something else. So for example, home. So just simply home. Now if we scroll down we can also find the password PSK, so we can also change the password right here, but I don't want to change the password for this Wi-Fi. So now when you are ready you need to click on the apply button in the bottom side of the screen, and now as you can see the network name SSID was changed and now it is trying to reconnect. But in most cases it won't reconnect automatically. So as you can see the loading is nearly finished. It will say that the reconnection is failed and you need to reconnect it by yourself. So as you can see, failed to reconnect. Now we just simply need to close the Safari browser and go back to the settings. Here we need to refresh the page, go back to Wi-Fi, and now you can find your Wi-Fi. Here it is, home. Now we need to just simply type in the password once again. So in my case it's something like that, then click enter, and now we can use our Wi-Fi with the new password. As you can see, if you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That is how you can do it. Thank you.